Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a residential lease with HomeSmart, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer a residential lease with HomeSmart, start by visiting their official website or app. Log into your HomeSmart account or create one if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the platform's interface to ensure you find the necessary tools. Navigate to the lease management section of your dashboard. Select the option to transfer a lease. You will need to provide details about your current lease agreement. This includes the lease term, monthly rent, and any additional terms specific to your agreement. Next, enter the information of the tenant you wish to transfer the lease to. Ensure that this tenant meets all the requirements set by your landlord or property management. Upload any required documentation, such as identification and proof of income for the new tenant. Carefully review all entered information for accuracy before proceeding. Once verified, submit your lease transfer request. You may receive a confirmation email or message regarding your submission. After submission, the landlord or property management will need to approve the transfer. Keep track of any communication from them to streamline the process. Once approved, you will receive a new lease agreement reflecting the transfer. Print and sign the new agreement along with the new tenant. Lastly, ensure all parties have a copy of the signed lease for their records. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer a residential lease with HomeSmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.